Okay. What's up, guys? I hope that you're having an awesome day today. So the recipe that we're gonna be making is inspired by a muffin that I love. I love lemon poppy seed muffins, but I don't eat them because they don't really work out so well for me, and maybe not for you either. So you might love this recipe. So we're gonna be making a very simple, easy recipe. We have the option to dehydrate, but you don't have to dehydrate. It just gives it a little bit of a different texture and flair. And we're gonna be using a food processor. It's a very simple recipe, and I think that you guys are gonna love it. Before we get into the recipe, I just wanna let you guys know that we do have one more room open for our retreat that is happening in February, and then we also have some camping spots as well. So if that room is going to you, make sure that you apply meganelizabeth.com/retreat, and I will get back to you and we will set up your trip to Hawaii. So I hope I get to meet you out here. All right, so let's get into this recipe and take a look at the ingredients. So traditional cookies, we've got butter, sugar, eggs, things like that, sprinkles, random bad ingredients. So we're replacing those ingredients with healthy stuff. So we've got dates for our sugar, and we've got coconut butter, coconut flour, chia seeds, we've got some lemon zest, and we've got vanilla. So we're gonna be using about 25 medjool dates. Make sure that you pick your dates, because that is the worst when you are blending or food processing and you realize that you have a date in there and you have to try and fish it out. Let me tell you, I've done it plenty of times. Don't go there. And then we also are gonna be using some coconut flour to replace regular flour. And we've got, I think it was half a cup of coconut flour. So we've got 25 dates, half a cup of coconut flour. We also have half a cup of coconut butter. We are replacing our dairy butter with coconut butter. This stuff is amazing, and just like regular butter, you can use it with savory or sweet. So that's why I really love it, and it has a really rich, kind of like savory, salty coconut flavor. Super, super good. And then what I have here is I have soaked 2 tablespoons. I've soaked 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 4 tablespoons of water. And so this is gonna be replacing our egg, and it's gonna help to kind of bind it all together as well as the dates. And then I have a tablespoon and a half of lemon zest. And you can use a microplane to make the zest. If you don't have a microplane, then you can just do a regular peeler and then you can chop it up. And then we also have half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you know how in the lemon poppy seed muffins, you have that nice little crunch along with the lemon flavor? So we're gonna be putting in an extra tablespoon of dry chia seeds to give us that kind of like crunchiness with that, you know, to make it like the lemon poppy seed muffin that I love so much. So basically everything is gonna be going into the food processor except for this. We're gonna wait until the end and then process it in so it doesn't get broken down too much. So we're just gonna be putting everything right in here, and then we're gonna pulse chop it until it looks like it's evenly blended. All right, so we're just gonna pulse chop it until it's evenly blended, and then towards the end, we're gonna put those chia seeds in. Okay, it looks like it's pretty even, so I'm gonna go ahead and add our extra dry chia seeds and just sprinkle it around. And then pulse it a little bit more to get those evenly mixed. Good enough. Okay. So good. You guys, if you like lemon poppy seed muffins, you have to make this. All right, so what we're gonna do is just take out a little ball, basically, of our mixture. You can make it as big as you want. You can make a giant cookie, you can make little cookies, and you're just gonna roll it into a ball and then flatten it. Press it like that. And there you go. Doesn't need to be perfect. And I'm just gonna keep making a few more cookies, and then we're gonna garnish. All right guys, it's time to taste test these cookies. Now, don't judge my plating skills. I was not trained in plating. I was trained in making food taste good. So you can trust me that this recipe is gonna taste delicious, but it might look weird. Okay, tasting time. Holy crap. This is really, really delicious. I'm gonna refrain from finishing the rest of the cookie because I need to talk to you about this. This is delicious. You totally need to make it. So if you guys have a dehydrator, if you want to pop these in the dehydrator for about an hour or two at 105 degrees, it takes a little bit of the moisture out of the cookie and it changes the texture of it a little bit. It's a little bit softer and moister like this, and it'll firm it up a little bit if you like more of a firm cookie. I'm actually fine with it like this. I'm just gonna eat all these just like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like, and then also please share it with your favorite vegan friend who loves lemon poppy seed muffins. And let me know if you make this recipe too. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Also comment down below and let me know what other recipes you would like to see from me. Cooked, raw, vegan, healthy, junky, what do you want? Let me know. All right guys, well I'm gonna go finish the rest of these cookies by myself and enter that into my chronometer to make sure that I have enough calories for that. So have an awesome day. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you next time.